PP sheet extrusion line, for thermoforming application, dairy products. Individually driven, vertical inclined, calendar unit. Precisely manufactured rollers, hardened and mirror finished surface, for superior surface properties, and excellent thickness control. Motorized hydraulic, gap adjustment for calendar roll, for quick product changes. Multi-layer feed block, and flat sheet eyes. Melt pump for better pressure control for consistent thickness. Automation through PLC, with touch screen. Online trim recycling arrangement.